Dustin Poirier took the time to apologize to absolutely everybody because I jumped the gun and took private matters between Conor and my foundation public. My mistake, we live and we learn. Spreading positivity and doing good is my goal. I feel like I brought a lot of negative energy and personal opinions into something I'm working so hard on that gives people a reason to cheer and smile. I'll take this in stride and continue to fight the good fight. New goal coming soon and it's a big one. Thank you to all involved and all the supporters who believe in our vision. Fight the good fight. He takes on Conor July 10th at UFC 264. 20,000 fans are going to be in attendance at the T-Mobile Arena. Tickets range from $300 to $10,000. Invicta's been bought out by Anthem Sports and Entertainment and now moves from Fight Pass to the Access TV cable network. Former Invicta fighter Jessica Penne returns after 4 years off on Saturday's UFC card when she takes on Lupita Gunides. Penne is a plus 230 underdog. Main event of the card is Whitaker versus Gastelum. There's also Jeremy Stevens versus Drakkar Klose, Andrei Arlovski versus Chase Sherman, Abdulrazak Al Hassan versus Jacob Malkoun, Luis Pena versus Alex Munoz, and Ricardo Ramos is off the card because of COVID-19 protocols, so his fight with Bill Algeo has been cancelled. Thanks for watching MMA Digest and subscribe to keep up with everything MMA.